Alright, ladies and gentlemen, you're not going to see anything. I'm not going to set up a professional room to do this for you. But what we're going to do is go through the settings of the actual device. Home. Settings. I might as well not talk because you probably know what to do anyway. Tire pressure maintenance system calibration. Don't need to do that. That's what my sister was talking about. Some type of calibration to be done. Driver assist system setup. If you make a mistake, you can always go back. Where's the back button, you say? Normally located somewhere like right here. Forward collision, warning distance. Adaptive cruise control, forward vehicle, detect beep, blind spot info, lane keeping assist, suspend beep, road departure migration, driver attention monitor. Meter setup. Adjust outside temperature display. Trip A reset timing. B reset timing. Adjust alarm volume. Fuel efficiency backlight. New message notification. Speed distance unit tachometer. I'm not going to set these up. I'm just going to walk through to see if anything I can do. And this is, oh, my baby seat. Memory position link. You know, people don't know what to do sometimes. They look for all these videos to help. Keyless access setup. Remote start system on, off. Door unlock. Keyless access light flash. Keyless access beep. Lighting setup. Interior light dimming time. Headlight auto off timer. Auto light sensitivity. Auto interior illumination sensitivity. Auto headlight on. Wiper on with the headlight. Door window setup. Auto door lock. Auto door unlock, key and remote unlock, keyless lock answer back, security relock timer, walk away auto lock. Power tailgate setup, keyless open mode, power open by outer handle. In my other video, you see me trying to figure out an issue with the tailgate. And this is where I would go in and figure things out, which I don't have to do. My maintenance info. I need to do oil life at 30% left. Schedule A, rotate the tires. New tires are on. I could skip the rotation, but keep in mind that 36,637 miles not shown on here. I can do all that. Select reset items. There are no other items here to go about. If I hit select reset, all due items. Engine oil, tire rotation. Would you like to reset the maintenance information, oil life, and tire rotation? No. Cancel. My air filter. Would you like to reset maintenance information of oil life 30% air filter? Air filter was not shown as the schedule. Transmission oil. Number 3, not shown. spark plugs. Spark plugs are not shown. There's no information, only oil life. So we don't know the information of engine coolant and all-wheel drive oil and brake fluid. These will come on when they want to come on. So calibration for my sister, most likely that was the tire pressure she was talking about, and why I made this video of just talking you with the settings here. Have a great day. Hope this video was somewhat informative to you.